We do an annual open house every year,
Beautiful.
and we invite, local hot rodders. And the other thing that's really important about our open house is what excites me about it the most is that it gives our employees a chance to bring their families out.
Oh,
And
cool.
number one, show their families where they work. This is
Yep.
what we do. We have the back of the shop open that's normally not, so it gives them an opportunity to take their kids or their
Beautiful.
wife back or husband back and show
Yep.
them that the area they work, what they do, what they produce. And the other thing that's really exciting about it for our employees is they work all week long making parts, making AC systems and making parts, but now they get to see where some of these parts end up. They see
Yeah.
the care that these people and that put in their pride and joy vehicles, and how these systems that our people build find their way into people's aftermarket cars, their hot rods and their classic cars and everything. So it's a great day. It's one of my favorite days of the year. We really
Oh,
look
yeah.
forward to our open house every year.